National Nutrition Natural Health Reviews. 3 minutes of the latest naturopathic info with Canada's leading nutrition experts. Watch, learn, and get healthy naturally.
Hi there, I'm Naturopathic Doctor Jonathan Beatty, health expert here at nationalnutrition.ca. Today we're going to talk about some things you can do to help support your immune system. Understanding the immune system is an incredibly huge topic. There are doctors whose sole specialty is just immunology. It's an incredibly diverse topic. It's an incredibly expansive topic. So we're not going to cover everything immune related today. Instead, what I'm going to try and hit you with, without getting into all the gory details of why, are some of the basic things that you can do that have been shown in clinical studies to help improve the functioning of your immune system. The immune system is there to help you fight any number of insults on your body. It's there to help you heal from traumatic tissue damage, it's there to fight off infections, and it's there to fight off cancers. So a properly functioning immune system is incredibly important, and the most important thing that your immune system needs are nutrients. A nutrient is the basic molecules required to support and sustain life in the absence of disease. Therefore, any level of nutrient deficiency is automatically going to be creating a disease state in the body. And if that nutrient happens to be required by the immune system, you're going to see that disease fall into the immune category. So that might be just being increasingly susceptible to colds and flus. Do you happen to be that person that gets every cold and flu that goes around, yet you notice the person that works next to you at work never seems to be sick? It might be the difference between them having adequate nutrition for their immune system and you having inadequate. So some of the things that you can really focus on to improve how your immune system functions are things like vitamin C. Vitamin C is incredibly important for your immune system. It helps your immune system to fight off viral infections. As well, zinc. Zinc is a mineral needed by your immune cells. If you have a zinc deficiency, they can't respond to infections as effectively. And so this is why you'll see things like zinc lozenges that often come with vitamin C in them. What you're trying to do is, again, make sure you're getting a steady supply of zinc to the cells so that your immune system can fight off that infection when you do contract it. Now, it doesn't mean you're going to get instantaneous symptom relief. No, your symptoms are created by your immune system fighting the infection. Instead, what these things do is they reduce the severity of the infection as well as the duration of the infection. Other things you're going to want to look for to support the immune system, and there are a vast number of them. So I'm going to hit on some of the ones that are just a little bit better studied and very powerful. And some of those things are, garlic comes to mind as probably one of the major ones. Garlic is something we eat in a lot of our food, but we don't necessarily eat it in the quantities required to get a real good immune stimulation out of it. And sometimes you can actually improve the effectiveness of garlic by doing things such as fermenting it. And that can actually concentrate and enhance the immune benefits of garlic. So that's a simple one that you can either add in lots of fermented garlic into your diet or take concentrated garlic supplements, and that can really help to boost up your immune system to make sure it's functioning optimally all year round. Now, in addition to garlic, some of the other things that you should look at supplementing with, my favorite is astragalus. Astragalus is a herb that's very important for the immune system. Research has shown that it may actually help to extend the life of your immune cells, so it allows your white blood cells to essentially live longer, to allow them to do their job more effectively, and it's very effective at fighting off both viral and bacterial illnesses. So this is why I often supplement people with astragalus, either in combination with other herbs or on its own. Other herbs I like for fighting or for boosting the immune system, there's a mushroom called cordyceps, which is very effective at boosting the immune system, as well as it boosts something called glutathione, which allows your body to detoxify against any toxins that may be being produced by a bacterial infection. And so cordyceps is very, very effective at enhancing glutathione levels and allowing your body to fight off infections more effectively. So I hope these tips help you boost your immune system, help you stay healthy. Check out more of our videos, subscribe to our channel. Any questions or comments can be posted below, and always remember, knowledge is health.